Hey, Changsha, China, come for a ride with me on my bike. We're gonna have some fun. Come on, come on, come on, come with me. Red light.
A few moments later.
We arrived. It's raining, so there's not many people here, but it's an outdoor concert. I think we're at Macy Lake or something here in Changsha, China. Let's see what we can see. But there's no music yet. I'll show you the stage and the rain. That's where they're setting up down there.
虽然说下雨，但大家的热情依旧不减。看看这人山人海。
We are going to go to see a movie or something because we're waiting for the musicians. Maybe they're not going to play. Maybe they're waiting for it to stop raining. But I got to go charge my electric bike. Hope you had fun with me tonight. See ya. Hey, we'll ride somewhere else again in the future. Look how wet I am. All right, let's ride again. Bye.
现场遗憾没听成的，那就一起欣赏线上吧。